Hello, this is Greg. I just purchased this power supply. I just opened the box and I tested the power using this little guy right here. And everything tested out good. Fan came on. Now I just want to see what the capacitors inside look like, see if any of them are bulging. I don't suspect there will be. This is supposed to be fully tested, but it is used. That one does not come off. And this one is different from the other one. There we go. It should just rotate up, slide. No, it doesn't, does it? This one doesn't slide. Yeah, it does. Come on. You gonna let me have it? Just one more. Where are you at? Come on. Gotcha. Wow, okay. Okay, those all look, everything in there looks clean too. Jeez. Let's see. This is not the same as the one I took out. I don't care as long as it does the same job. But yeah, this is not the same setup. Not at all. Anyway, back together we go. Slip these here, here, and then these kind of go underneath the lip right here, right there. And I don't screw these in. I mean, I make them snug, but I mean, you know, like that. They stop, that's where they stop. Just when they stop, that's it. I just kind of quit right there. They're just little machine screws. They only just have to hold this cover, keep it from moving around in there. You tell me if I'm wrong. I don't care. Won't change nothing. You over torque them, and then they come out hard and they get all messy. A little bit of debris right there. All right, I'm going to pause and grab the computer. Okay, back. Let's see about slipping this baby back into the slot here. And do it without, let me go ahead. No, I'm going to leave that in there. I'll just hold it up a little bit. Oh, this is going to come out. There we go. Oops. Come on. Ah, gotcha. And you push down and snap it into place right there. Okay, and then you. Oh, no. Shoot. Well, okay. So I'm going to have to pull you out. And pull you out from here. Pull pull you out. Oh, let's pull this first. Okay. Yes. Okay. Ah, look at you. Just like you were made to do it. What we got here for... Oh, I can't really see anything on that anyhow. All right, now you got to go around here and get plugged in right here. Excellent. And it's got a couple of little clips here to hold it where it goes. Okay. Well, I got that out. I might as well slip this in. Excellent. And then, oh, shit. There we go. That out and that out. Pull this out of here. There we go. You come here. All right. Now, this one goes to the hard drive. And then this one, I believe, goes to the hard drive. Like this. Come on. Wow. There we go. That's a little more. There we go. Excellent. Oh, that slipped in there nicely. Okay. It's always nice when you can just feel them go in there and just seat. There. Not too much of a kink. It's got a little lift up to it there. There we go. And you and you go into here. Nice. So then I believe it is this little guy. Let's put you in first. Gotcha. And you. Check these plugs. They're all nice and tight. Let's put the side door back on. Go. All right, now I'm going to pause and reset my camera. All right, I have everything plugged in, monitors turned on. Let's see what happens. Ha ha ha. Shit. I forgot a plug. Because I already have a 15 pin in the back of the monitor. I saw that and didn't plug one in. I have to plug one in. Plug it in to the computer. There we go. Let's see what we got, if anything. Oh my gosh. I saw shop on there. It is shop PC. Oh my God, I got my computer back. Ah, shit. Jeffrey, you're beautiful. No matter what people say. Yes. Perfect. It's not. This is not the correct monitor or anything for it, but mouse works. It's just, God, let's see what I got here. Well, the internet's not going to work. Let's see, because I don't have any of that stuff hooked up. My God, this is just a jumble of crap when you just throw it on a new screen, isn't it? Anyway, it works. Let's just I'll click on something. How about I'll click on Cura? Oh, there's just a shipping label. Yeah, that works. Yeah, excellent. Okay, just a power supply. And I was hoping that this power supply would be the same as the other one. I mean, it obviously works. It fits and it works and everything, but it's built differently. So I can't use this one to try and repair the old one. I'm just going to have to rely on, well, more knowledge. Have a great day.